Hey guys, I'm Ashley Stennett, host of the Over Easy Show.
And I'm Jared Dean, Executive Director for Putnam County Parks and Recreation, and we're here today to show you what's happening at Valley Park.
So let's check it out. So Jared, what exactly are we looking at here?
Well, actually, we're standing in the main entryway here at the Valley Park Conference Center, and what you're looking at here is the cedar truss package that's being installed in the Valley Park Conference Center. And this particular piece that we're looking at weighs just right at 6,000 pounds.
Wow. So Jared, what is the actual final timeline for actually getting this up?
The final completion on the timber package is actually within the next 3 weeks. They're starting on it now.
Oh,
and
wow.
One of the main features here in this building is the front entryway here. It's got a lot of the same wood that's going to be in the ceiling, and we've got exposed trusses all throughout the corridor here. So it's going to be an amazing architectural design here for people to enjoy. So the final completion of the whole building is actually going to be May of 2018.
This is really neat. I can actually smell the cedar. I don't know if you can smell it right
Oh
now.
yeah, I smell it every time I come over here. It's amazing.
This is great. I tell you what, I am really excited to see this, and I know it's going to be a great draw for people coming into the park.
Absolutely.
Wow, Jared, this building is impressive. Where exactly are we?
Well, we're standing in the conference room, and you know, the whole building is impressive, like you said. The whole facility is 32,000 square feet, and the room that we're standing in is right at 9,000 square feet, which is our main conference room.
With a facility like this, what types of events do you guys envision bringing here?
Oh man, we're open to anything. You know, this is a Putnam County park, and so we're open to any organization, any group to have events here. But some of the things that we're going to be hosting is indoor sporting events. You know, one of them is a ping pong tournament that I'm wanting to have here, Nerf gun battles. So it's going to be real exciting. We're also going to have movie nights, but also large concerts, whether it be gospel, bluegrass, country, whatever the venue may be. It's something that's going to draw people into this facility and enjoy what we have here in Putnam County.
Yeah, and you know, the cool thing of it is too, this is kind of centrally located between the state capital and capital city, and then the second largest city of Huntington, and you're only 2.5 hours from Lexington, Kentucky, 2 hours from Columbus, Ohio, so it's very strategically located. I would think that you guys could get people from all over the region coming here for an event.
Yeah, it's going to be a perfect venue for weddings, receptions. The architects have really done a fantastic job with the interior decorations that's going to be in here, so it's going to be absolutely amazing here.
Again, I cannot wait till this opens. I'm really looking forward to being a part of this.
You know, Ashley, one of the unique features here at the Valley Park Conference Center is our large commercial kitchen.
Oh, now you know that I am all about food. Can we please check that out?
Absolutely, let's go.
Jared, this kitchen is huge. I mean, this is all of it?
Yeah, actually, the space that we're standing in the commercial kitchen is right at 1,200 square feet. And this kitchen is fully equipped. So any caterer that we would bring in for any type of event will be able to prepare all the food right here on site and not have to haul any food in that's already been prepared. We've got cold storage space, dry food storage space, and also a commercial dishwashing equipment space for them to use to clean up. So it's going to be an amazing space for somebody to be utilizing here.
You know, as we're standing here talking about this and I'm looking around, I gotta admit, a light bulb has gone off. You know I'm all about food.
Yeah, I know that.
And I'm already envisioning, with your permission, some Over Easy Show cooking episodes from the Valley Park commercial kitchen.
That'll be wild. That'll be awesome.
Can we make that happen?
Absolutely.
So Jared, the big question is this going to be open for summer of 2018?
Absolutely it is. We have been working very diligently on making sure that we're open next year. We've got new concrete. We've been running test phases on the wave pool and the slides to make sure that everything is in tip-top shape in operations for next year.
I got to tell you, man, with this new conference center, the layout of this park, I mean, this is almost like a beach scene with the wave pool. I almost feel like that I'm at a resort.
Well, that's exactly the type of ambience that we're trying to create here at Valley Park. It's a nice place to bring your family, and we're going to offer all kinds of side amenities where you can rent cabanas that we have built here. and umbrella rentals. We're also going to be featuring a new concession stand called Waveside Cafe. And it's going to have a full-on gourmet style menu where you can get gourmet burgers. We want to promote healthy lifestyle here at the park.
I can't wait for summer of 2018.
Oh, it's going to be awesome.
I look at this and I'm ready to just jump in and start surfing.
Well, let's go.
So I know you guys are bringing in a lot of different sports venues, but what field are we on right now?
Actually, we're actually on the brand new artificial turf soccer field. And what's unique about this field, it's a multi-field. The yellow lines that we're standing around now is for the Little League. So we got 2 fields there. The white lines that you see is more of our adult 16 years and up usage.
What about other games, like other athletic venues?
We've had a lot of interest from outside groups like flag football and lacrosse. So we're going to open up this field for a lot of different sporting events. But soccer is going to be the primary sport, but we're going to allow some other things to happen here.
And this AstroTurf feels great. I mean, it's soft, but explain what is the benefit of going with turf versus just like a more traditional grass field?
Well, when you have a lot of bad weather, you get a lot of game delays or cancellations. So with the turf, it's got a wonderful drainage system underneath the turf now, and so it drains all the water off real quick, and so you won't, have those game delays there.
Man, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to play.
Oh, it's on. Hey, man.
All right, Jared. You've got me out in the middle of the woods. What are we doing?
Ashley, we are actually standing in the middle of Valley Park's brand new 18-hole disc golf course, designed by a 3-time world champion, PDGA Hall of Fame, Johnny Sias.
So you're telling me that all of this that we're looking at is going to get turned into a national pro level disc golf course?
Yeah, we thought that, let's utilize some of our property here and let's offer another recreational activity for folks to come and enjoy here at Valley Park. So we're going to be hosting regional tournaments and national tournaments, so it's going to be great here.
That is so cool, and I've never played, but looking at all of this, I really want to now.
Well, it's going to be a sport that you and I both take up together, so.
I'm hearing a challenge.
It's on.
Sounds great to me. Jared, today has been so awesome. The conference center, the sports fields, the wave pool, the disc golf, everything is amazing. This place is going to be a big tourist attraction.
Absolutely.
And spring is just right around the corner. We'll see you in May.